Let's launch your online studio this weekend. You don't need a developer, you don't need a marketing degree, and you definitely don't need a 47-step complicated funnel. It should take, I don't know, less than 2 hours. And I know that sounds fast, but in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what you need to do to launch, and more importantly, what you can just completely ignore. I'm Sandy. I'm the co founder of Marvelous, and I have spent 12 plus years helping yoga teachers, coaches, and wellness creators of all sorts build online businesses. I've seen what works, what doesn't, and what people do to complicate their lives. This is the Wellness Creator Show. Let's get into it. So, before we dive into all the details that I want to show you, I want you to quickly identify why you're stuck. Why isn't your online business yet launched? Because if you've just been spinning your wheels, there's usually one of three things going on. So, one, you're just in pure tech overwhelm. You've researched different platforms, you've watched comparison videos, you've gone down Reddit rabbit holes, and now you're just sitting there more confused than ever. Or two, perhaps you are paralyzed with perfectionism. You want this online presence to match the quality of your in person work, and so it should. So, launching something good enough feels like a compromise. I get it. Three, you might be in just like strategy marketing paralysis. You've been told you need email sequences and sales funnels and membership tiers and landing pages and multiple integrations with a dozen different tools. You don't need most of that, not to start. And honestly, maybe not ever. The creators who actually launch aren't the ones who researched the most. They're the ones who realize how little they actually need. So let's strip this down to essentials. Here are the 5 things you actually need to launch. 1, you need a way to teach live. Most of our wellness creators, they start by teaching live classes. So you need a platform with a built-in video or a simple Zoom integration. That is it. You don't need professional lighting, a very fancy, expensive camera, or a dedicated studio space. Your phone, your laptop camera, it's fine. Your living room or the corner of a bedroom works just fine. The students, remember, care about your teaching and not your production value. 2, you need a way to get paid. You need Stripe. It's the industry standard. It works in most countries and currencies and deposits the money directly into your bank account. There's no delay in payment. What you don't need are multiple payment processors, complex invoicing, or sending out manual invoices for manual payment. And 3, you need a place or a home for your students. They need a home base, a simple, clean portal where they can log in, see what's available, join your classes, buy your course, listen to your meditations. What you don't need is a custom website, a custom mobile app, plus a separate community platform, plus a course tool, plus a membership tool, plus a scheduling tool. This is exactly why we built Marvelous. It's just one platform that handles all of it. But whatever you use, the point is picking one thing that does it all. Stop cobbling together 5 different platforms. Okay, and number 4, you need a calendar. People need to know when you are teaching or coaching that you need a visible schedule. Ideally, one that syncs with Google Calendar so your students can add classes to their own calendars. We built a simple integration with Google so our teachers don't need to use paid tools like Acuity or Calendly. And what you don't need are complex booking systems designed for in-person appointments or multi-room studios or enterprise features you'll never use. And 5, you need something to sell. You need an offer. So this is the part that only you can provide: your expertise, your teaching, your unique approach. What you need is one clear offer. That's it. One. It can come in many different forms. Perhaps it's, multiple classes every week. Maybe it's a weekly workshop. Maybe it's a membership. Just pick one thing to start. What you don't need is a very complicated, long curriculum, a year's worth of content, or a perfectly planned content calendar. Start with what you would teach this week if someone showed up. That's it, 5 things. Everything else is nice to have. It is not required to be successful. It's certainly not required to get started. All right, let me show you exactly how to do this. I'm going to walk you through creating your first product, getting Zoom, Stripe, and a calendar set up all in one go. Less than 2 hours. I think 2 hours is super generous. It's probably more like less than an hour. Let's go. Okay, here we are inside Marvelous. This is your all-in-one platform created specifically for wellness creators, movement-based teachers. And let's start with the integrations that we were just talking about. So we'll go down to settings, into integrations, and let's make sure we get paid. So we're going to start with Stripe. You simply click on connect. And if you have a Stripe account already, you're simply going to, we're just going to click connect. Come on. You're going to add your email address that's associated with that Stripe account. You'll actually log into your Stripe, and then Marvelous and Stripe can then talk. So any money that you get through your Marvelous sales will go directly into your bank account. Okay, that's Stripe. If you have to create an entire new account, it'll take a couple minutes. It's not very long, not very complicated at all. Okay, then the next thing we want to do is connect our Zoom. So again, we're going to click to connect. We're going to say connect account. If you have, it's the same thing as Stripe. If you have a Zoom account already, you're going to log in off this screen. If not, you're going to start a brand new account. Again, a few minutes to do that. We're going to back out of there. And now we need a calendar. So here we go. Let's just use our Google Calendar. And again, connect account. And you're going to click here to sign in with Google. Once you do that, again, this is how integrations work. Marvelous and Google, your Google Calendar specifically, will be able to talk. Okay, so now let's create the offer that we were talking about. So the offer is what you're going to sell inside Marvelous. We call these products. You're going to go over to here, click add product. You can do courses, memberships. You can do individual coaching, like one-on-one coaching. You can sell digital downloads, all sorts of things. But if we want to get your wellness business set up this weekend, the easiest and fastest is just to do a class card. So this is getting your clients to pre-buy 5 classes, 10 classes, 20 classes, whatever number you pick. You can just go live and teach them. And let's do that. So we're going to click on create class card. So we'll just call this simple yoga 10 classes, something like that. Okay, so if we're going to do 10 classes, then that means that there are 10 credits. And let's just make these are good for the next year. So when you go and share this class card, we are going to want it to look good. So let's put a photo over a cover photo. We have a direct integration with Unsplash, so it makes it really simple. We're just going to do, let's say, yoga. We'll choose that photo. You don't need to crop it. And there you go. So now your product, your online product, has a cover photo. Of course, you can use one of yourself if you'd like. And pricing. So let's do 200 for 10 classes. That might be a little bit low. There is a one-click upsell. To get started, do not worry about this. Let's just go right over to the summary page. We want this to be published on Marvelous on your site, and we want it to be visible in the shop. So we're going to click those two on, and that is basically it. So now we have a product that has a name and an image, a price. Here's the product that we have here, but we need to tell our clients who purchase these 10 classes, what is the schedule? When can they join class? Okay, so we're gonna go over to the calendar and put our teaching schedule on this calendar. So let's go to add event. We're gonna say, let's just say morning yoga. We are going to make this a group event because Zoom is a group of your students. And we're going to say that it happens every Wednesday morning at 9 a.m. It's for 1 hour, and you will have your name in here because you are the owner of this studio. So Sandy is the teacher. You can go ahead and add a description to this class if you would like. And if you want to put a separate photo specifically for this 9 a.m. class, you can also do that. Now, we're going to want this event to repeat, right? We're not going to have to schedule every single Wednesday. So we're just going to say when event repeats every Wednesday until, let's say, till the end of June. Okay. And we're going to save that. Now on our calendar, we've got morning yoga from now until June. So our students will be able to see this calendar and register and indicate that they want to attend this online class. So this is what your students will see. Here is your page. This is your shop page. Here's the one product that we just created. It's a simple yoga 10 classes for $200. If they're interested, they can click in it to buy. You've got your checkout page already built. They just need to create a new account and pay, and you've got a new client. You have been thinking about this long enough. 2 hours from now, you could have your online studio live. You could be sharing links to your audience and selling prepaid classes. So if you want to try Marvelous, there's a link in the description to start. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video.